A new day begins over the western coast. The first light touches the sea, and the sky slowly wakes up. Yesterday, the ocean showed us its power and beauty. We had some amazing sightings out in the deep blue. Today, we head out again, hoping to see what new stories the sea will tell us. Every day out here is different. That's what makes the ocean so special. Join me as we set out once again into the deep unknown.
Hey, good morning everyone. It's day 2 from Mangalore. So we are going for our Pelagic trip. So yesterday it was pretty good. We got decent sightings. We are hoping that we would get few more good species today. So stay tuned and watch the video.
It's 5:45 in the morning. The sun hasn't risen yet, and the city is still quiet. We are heading out towards the old dock for day 2 of our pelagic adventure. The old port is just about 600 meters from our hotel. And within 10 minutes, we reach the starting point. Many familiar faces from the Bangalore birding community have joined us today. Each one ready and excited for another day in the deep sea. This morning, the atmosphere feels different. The air is cool, the port is calm, and the ships are still docked. A few black-crowned night herons were already awake. One adult perched high up on a tree branch, preening quietly and watching the world around it. Another sat on a nearby perch, still and alert, observing the surroundings. Today, the number of participants is higher, so instead of one, 2 boats will be venturing out into the open sea. A bigger team, a bigger journey, and the new day waiting to unfold beyond the horizon. Soon, the boats arrive, gently gliding towards the dock. The atmosphere is filled with excitement. With everything set, the engines roared to life once again, and we are off, heading into the unknown. It's bright and sunny today, unlike the cloudy morning we had yesterday. Hopefully, the sea will be calmer too. There is a sense of hope in the air. Maybe today the weather will stay kind and the ocean will reveal something new. The air feels fresh, the sound of the waves grows louder, and the adventure begins once again. Soon we reach the point where the estuary meets the sea. The water here changes color dramatically. It was breakfast time. We were served a delicious South Indian breakfast, simple, warm, and perfect for the sea. With our energy restored and spirits high, we are all set to continue the journey. As we continued, we noticed something flying past the boat. A lesser black-backed gull glided gracefully over the waves, its wings catching the light as it passed by. A little ahead, we spotted a great crested tern floating calmly on a piece of thermocol. The bright sunlight lit up its white feathers and slender yellow beak as it gently swayed with the rhythm of the waves. Every now and then it looked around, alert yet completely at ease, a picture of grace and balance in the middle of the open sea. Soon it took off, gliding effortlessly above the waves and disappeared. We continued exploring the vast sea. Apart from breakfast and lunch, tea was also served on board. Along with juices and fresh fruits throughout the day. A big credit goes to Mr. Shiva Shankar and his team for organizing everything so thoughtfully. The crew members were friendly and helpful, always making sure everyone was comfortable and taken care of. In the distance, we spotted something interesting floating on the water. We steered the boat towards it. And there it was, another masked booby, the third one of our trip. This individual looked older than the one we saw yesterday, with more white on its body, though not a fully grown adult yet. It sat calmly on the waves, observing the surroundings with the same confident look. The masked booby is the largest of all booby species, powerful flyers and expert divers, capable of plunging straight into the sea for fish. In India, 4 species of boobies have been recorded, this one being the most widely seen. As we were filming the masked booby, we noticed another bird perched in the opposite direction. Floating calmly on a piece of debris was an Arctic Skua, a rare and exciting sighting out here. The Arctic Skua, also known as the parasitic jaguar, is a powerful seabird and a master flyer. often seen chasing terns and gulls mid-air to steal their catch. They come in multiple plumage types. This one was a beautiful dark brown morph. Skuas are more commonly seen during the summer months when they migrate through the northern waters. So spotting one at this time of the year was truly a big bonus for our trip. Back-to-back bumper sightings. As we continued moving forward, the sun climbed higher and the heat began to make its presence felt. Soon it was lunchtime, and just like yesterday, we were served some delicious vegetarian food. Simple, fresh, and perfect for the sea. Post lunch, everyone returned to their positions, scanning the horizon once again. The activity decreases during this time due to the intense heat, but we kept our eyes open. Soon, we spotted a flock of Wilson's Storm Petrels. Often called the butterflies of the ocean, these tiny seabirds skim just above the water's surface. A large group floated together, resting and feeding. A little ahead, another great crested tern floated gracefully on a piece of debris. Its bright yellow beak shining in the sunlight. The bird looked calm and elegant, gently drifting with the waves. For a while, everything felt still, just the sound of water brushing against the boat and the calls of distant birds. A bridal tern flew past us, its sleek wings cutting through the air effortlessly. In the distance, our large ship stood anchored, its red structure glowing under the afternoon sun. We noticed something perched right on top of it, and to our surprise, it was another masked booby. Looks like we have had an incredible luck with this species on this trip. This one sat comfortably on the metal structure, preening its feathers. 4 sightings of a bird that's otherwise rare to come across. Time passed quickly, and soon it was time to head back towards the coast. On the way, we spotted another greater crested tern floating on the water. It gently rocked with the moving waves, spreading its wings every now and then to keep balance. As we headed back towards the coast, the other boat also joined us. Both boats moved side by side, cutting through the gentle waves under the soft evening light. A perfect end to an incredible trip. We also saw in this trip it was time again to cross from the deep sea water into the calmer estuary waters as the coastline slowly came into view. The light began to fade, the waves grew gentler. As we neared the shore, a few peahens walked gracefully along the sandy shoreline. A little ahead, a western reef heron moved slowly by the water's edge, stepping carefully as it searched for food among the gentle waves. It was the perfect ending to our journey. From the deep, endless sea to the calm and life-filled coast. Two incredible days filled with adventure, rare sightings, and unforgettable moments. With hearts full and cameras filled with memories, we head back to the shore. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel if you haven't had. Hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos from Wildlife Captured. Goodbye for now and see you in my next adventure.